So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you want to add schema markup to your WordPress website to help search engines understand your content, here's a simple way to do it. Firstly, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the post or page where you want to add schema. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Open Preferences, then head to Panels and enable Custom Fields. Now scroll to the Custom Fields section and click Enter New. Give the field a name, then pass your schema JSON ID code into the value field. Then click Add Custom Field and then update your post. For site-wide schema code, you can use Header Code plugin instead of manually editing your theme files. Install and activate, insert the headers and footers, then go to its settings. Paste your schema code into the script in the header section and save your changes. Now use Google Structured Data Testing tools to check that your schema markup is valid and doesn't contain errors. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.